Hello everyone. I'm here to talk about our project exam result processing system. It is a Java-based application developed to process and manage student examination results efficiently. So this project was completed by four of us, myself, Gunmi Madan, and Gokul Krishna, Halesh, and Hemant, through active collaboration where each member contributed to analysis, development, testing, and documentation. So from now on, Halesh will be taking over. He'll be explaining the introduction part and the other things.
Hello everyone, myself Alice. I am explaining the introduction and the objectives of this project. First, we introduce the introduction part. The exam result processing system in a Java-based application developed to automate the process of maintaining and student examination result. In the traditional system, the result calculation record and maintenance are often done by manually, which is time consuming and the core of errors. This project overcomes the limitations by providing a computerized solution to ensure the automatically, efficiently, and easy to data management. This system allows user to enter the student details and marks automatically, calculate the total marks, average, and the grade, and and stores the result in a MySQL database. In it also provides features that as searching the student record and storing the students based on the total marks or grade. Project objectives. Objectives of automations improved accuracy and streamlined record management. First, automation. The system automates the result processing, significantly reducing the manual effort and minimizing the human errors, thereby enhancing the probability or allowing the futurely to force on the academic activities. Then improved accuracy by implementing the automated calculations. The system uh, ensures the accurate result generation and eliminates the descriptions, providing the readable the data that can be uh, preserved for decision making and reporting. Accumulating the record management. The exam result processing system organize the student record systematically, make reliable, efficient, and sources that facilitating the better management and academic informations and the student performance tracking. The next two slides are explained by Hemant.
Thank you, Halish. My name is Hemant. My scope of the project today I am explaining about the scope of the object. Scope of the object of project are manage the student details, ID, name, marks. It will automatically calculate the total average and grade, and it stores the student record in MySQL database and search and sort the student by ID, name, marks, or grade. Display the result in a clear and formatted manner, suitable for small and medium institution with the scope for future enhancement. Next slide about the software requirements. So, system requirements are there are we used hardware requirements like processor like Intel i3 or higher, RAM minimum 4 GB, hard disk 10 GB free space. The software requirements like operating system Windows, programming language we used Java, database MySQL, ideally NetBeans, Intel IDEA. Database tools are SQL and MySQL Workbench. Next slide. Mother, next slide. Next slide about the workflow overview. Workflow overview like data entry, result processing, and record management. In data entry, student information is entered into the student system for processing and management. Result processing, automated calculation generated accurate and academic result based on predefined criteria. And record management. Student record are efficiently stored and accessed and updated within the system. Next slides will explain by Madan.
We have used Java text fields, Java buttons, and all Java Swing elements to design our user interface. So we have implemented to take like the input entered from the users through Java text fields, Java text area, and array lists and all. So this module contains our front end part. So the student or Java file, we have calculated, like we have written all our logic here. So we have used parameterized construction for the students. So we have used calculate result method to calculate the results. Like we have like the total is calculated here, and the average of the marks entered will be calculated, and the grades will be assigned on this logic. So and everything is getting updated to the database. So we have used JDBC drivers to connect to the database, MySQL database. So we have used localhost servers for that. And one limitation of our project is like we can only access the database which is on the local system. So that is one limitation. So we have used our database name is exam results DB. So the everything will be appended to the database using JDBS server drivers. So this is our run file. So when we execute this file, it will be connected to the JDBC driver and it will start the execution. This is our run file. So this is our UI. So main things first, we have student ID where the student ID can be inputted to string. Yes, and the student name and every detail should be like fulfilled because we can't leave it anything empty. So we'll get a pop-up message of this thing like student added successfully to this thing, and the total is calculated automatically. Average is also calculated, and the grade will be assigned as per the logic we have given. So we can click the show button to show all the students which are like stored in our database, and we can search students by their ID as well as name. So I'll be searching with the name. So like we have got it. So the ID will be there, the name and the marks and the total and the grade, and we can also sort our database by total as well as grade. So I'm sorting this by total. So it is already sorted by total, and the grade also we can sort. So as of this is our the project, and we have used SQL Yoke Community Edition to access our database. So here we can see our database. So our database name is exams results.opa. We have used students table to store the data. So I can see, you can see that we have the rows and columns here, everything. So we can access, we can delete anything we want, or we can do changes here. It's easy to make use of this. So this is our project. So from here on, Gokul will be taking care.
Thank you, Madan. Hi, I'm Gokul, and I'll be talking about the advantages, the limitations, the future enhancements, and the summary of our project. So starting off with the advantages. So our project provides a user-friendly graphical interface using Java Swing, and it is really easy to interact. And also, this particular project automatically calculates the total marks, average, and grade, thus reducing manual errors. And also, we can store student data persistently using MySQL and Java database connectivity. And also there is support for searching and sorting of student records using different parameters, like how Madan mentioned. We can use the whether the ID, the name, or whatever to search and even sort the students. And also we have used a modular OOP design, so the code is really easy to understand and maintain. So moving on to the limitations. So uh, as of now, the system is designed for a fixed number of subjects, that is 3 marks per student. So that is one limitation, and also it requires MySQL and Java database connectivity setup. So that may limit portability of this particular project. And also, as of now, it only supports a single user environment at a time. And also, it doesn't include any sort of advanced reporting or export features. So those are the limitations. Now, moving on to the future enhancements.
1 second. Hemant, you can turn off your cameras.
So moving on to the future enhancements, we can tackle all of those limitations that I've mentioned. Uh, so one thing is that we can extend the system support to more subjects, uh, and that will make the project more flexible. And another thing that can be added is report generation. We can, um, like export reports and all in various different forms, such as PDF or Excel. And also, the application can be integrated into a web-based or multi-user system. So those are the future enhancements. So to conclude the whole project, to conclude the presentation, like a project provides an efficient solution for exam result processing using Java, and it demonstrate effective use of OOPS concepts into solving this particular problem. And also we have integrated Java Swing and MySQL for the user interface as well as the database connectivity. And also this project improves the accuracy and reduces the manual effort that usually goes in like for exam result processing. And overall, the processing results for exams can get messy and confusing. So this project serves as a really useful tool in processing the exam results by making the project way easier, faster, and efficient. So yeah, that's about the presentation. Uh, we appreciate your attention and looking forward to your feedbacks. Thank you.